Hi, my name is Turner Leslie, and this is my presentation for Bowie Bags. First, I'd like to start off with the goals and expectations that I was given for this whole semester. So the budget was $5,000 a week. When I first heard this news, I thought that $5,000 was a lot of money per week to spend. But as I started posting and using this money to use for all the different platforms, this money went quick. I knew that I needed to spend it all, so I started out spending quite a bit. And then when I saw that the money went quick, I broke it down into the different platforms, and I was able to organize the money more effectively within the different platforms. I was also told to be aggressive and also to grow the brand awareness. All right. I really liked the simulation that was through the Stukent Mimic platform. It was interesting to see what would work and to try new things. I did my best to follow the goals and to use the whole budget. With the simulation, I used the different platforms to see what would work best, and it seemed like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest worked best. And I was able to use paid posts as well as organic. Another thing that I did well with the simulation was to listen to customers. The first few weeks with the simulation, I wasn't getting the 5 stars with the customer ratings. But as I looked more into it and followed the directions better, I was able to find where the reviews were coming from and listen to the customers and to follow through with them to really know what they wanted and what they needed help with as well. I really enjoyed learning about the crisis that we had with the Taylor Swift situation. I thought it was most important for our company to own up to the situation and to post different posts on all of our platforms to tell everyone that we owned up to the situation and that we would um, make changes within our warehouses to have quality checks and to have employee checks as well, to really take care of our employees, to keep them well fed, and to make sure they are doing well with the medical. Also, I wanted to make sure that all of our posts were even more positive with our bags, our employees, and our brand as a whole. I'd like to talk about which platforms I thought would work best and which ones worked best within our simulation. I felt that Instagram is the most effective platform today. I was able to post a lot of organic posts within Instagram as well as paid. It seemed like they were able to do best. As you can see in the top right, I've already made us a mock-up of Bowie Instagram page that can be ready to be launched as soon as we need to. And I've already made mock posts as well if we plan to use that. If we're able to post effective content, our page will take off. And to be effective, we can use stories as well for Instagram, and we can use ads that we can use for our paid. Also, Facebook will be very important for us as well. As you can see in the top right, I've also made us a mock-up of a Bowie Facebook post / page there that is ready to be launched whenever you'd like. This will be a great place for us to build a following and to make sure that we have 5-star reviews on everything possible. And if we get anything lower than a 5-star review, we can do our best to talk to the customers and to really figure out what is going on to help them to know that we care for them and we want them to have our best bags. Pinterest will be great. As you can see there in the top, I have made a board for us with 4 posts. This would be a great place for us, especially for our niche with our traveling customers, since our bags are obviously great for travel. People can use our traveling board for the pins there so that they can look at all of our bags and to combine that with their traveling boards. I've seen this to work great with really anyone that uses Pinterest. This will also be a great place for us to show our new bags or any kind of new products that come out, and we can tie them to any other traveling posts as well for other brands that like to collaborate too. All right, let's do our best to build this brand. As I've explained, our social media posts will be the best way to build the brand. We can show off our new products and prove that we have what it takes to get this brand where it needs to be. And we've also proven that, we may have some hiccups along the way, like the Taylor Swift crisis, but we've also shown that we will post positive posts to show that we are one of the best brands out there and we have what it takes. So I hope you enjoyed the presentation, and thank you for putting out great products.